Hello everyone! This is Jasmine Joy Mama from Hong Kong. First of all, I would like to thank God for letting this event possible happen. And to everybody here who joining this big day of my bunso, Jasmine Joy, for making this day wonderful and remarkable event to celebrate her 18th birthday. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And for the whole team who organized this event, hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin. Alam ko po kung sino kayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And special mention po sa aking, her atis, Ate Giselle, Ate Janet, and also her Kuya Johnny Del. Maraming salamat mga anak for taking place my role as a magulang, as a mother. Nandiyan kayo para sa inyong bunsong kapatid. Maraming salamat mga anak. Hindi lang guidance ang kinocontribute nyo kay bunso. Hindi lang sa emotional, pati financially, nandiyan kayo para kay bunso. Maraming salamat po mga anak. I'm so grateful as your mother. Maraming salamat. And for you bunso, as it says, time flies so fast. And 18 years, it passed quickly ended. O, diba? Parang kahapon lang, naalala ko, nandyan ka sa WMC, kinder, ayaw mo pa magpaiwan sa akin. Gusto mo the whole session of your class, nandyan si mama nakabantay sa'yo. O, diba? Kahit malapit lang yung bahay natin sa WMC, gusto mo nakabantay ako. O, diba? Now that you are 18 years old, ikaw naman ang ayaw magpabantay. Gusto mo pakawalan ka, ganun. Diba? Ang bilis ng panahon. So, ito na. Ayun na nga, mabilis. Diba? Hindi mo ma-imagine ang bilis ng panahon. So, anak, I'm sorry na wala si mama ngayon sa inyong birthday. Kasi dalawang yung event ngayon this year, di naman pwede si mama umuwi ng twice a year dito. Siyempre, kailangan ang trabaho, no? Pinapili ko kayo at graduation mo or sa dibu, ako uuwi. Sabi nyo sa graduation. So, God willing, nandyan si mama sa graduation mo. But for now, this event, wala si mama. I'm sorry, okay? And now bunso, that you are 18 years old, I hope you will have wisdom and understanding in terms of decision making, and in order to help you to make good choices in life. And this is the time to dig down to achieve your ultimate goal in life. Possibilities are endless. The thing is, you will take an action so that you have a good result. Okay? And one more thing, bunso. I wanted to let you know that I'm so proud of you, whatever you do. Whatever you're doing, it makes to mama proud. And I'm always here for you. Whatever want you to be, mama is always here for you and help you to give you the best that I can do. And I love you, bunso, unconditionally. Again, happy birthday. I hope your heart now is filled with joy and happiness. And this is my most advice to you. This is coming from the Bible. This one, baby. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Ayan. In all your ways, submit to our Lord, and He will make your path straight. Yan ang tandaan mo, bunso, ha? Again, happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day. And to everybody who are joining here, maraming salamat po. Enjoy po kayo sa aming nakayanan. Ayan, so much appreciated ang inyong pagdalo. Maraming salamat po. God bless all. I love you, bunso. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. See you soon. I miss you so much.